Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. I am going to do another alternate card using elements from the April Paper Pumpkin kit called Lakeside Retreat. I've got one of the die cuts from the kit. I've got this die cut from the kit. I've got a balmy blue card base and a 5 1/4 by 4 piece of balmy blue that I have run through the Forever Plaid folder to mimic this piece here. Now, I was going to run it all through together, and I thought that might muddy this up a little bit. So I am just going to go ahead and put some adhesive on the back of this piece, and then I'm going to stick it down, and then I'm going to trim it. And one of the reasons I'm trimming it last is when you run things through a folder, it can shorten up the paper just a fraction. And I didn't want to cut this to 5 1/4 and have it end up being just a little bit too short. So I'm just going to trim this off. There we go. And throw that away. Okay. And now I'm just going to flat mount it on the front here like this. Again, another super simple card. Not a lot going on, but super effective, especially with the use of that folder. So I'm just going to line that up, drop it down. Now it is tone on tone, but what it does is it gives you the a little bit of depth on the front of the card. I'm going to use my balmy blue, and I'm going to stamp the happy birthday from the kit onto the bottom of this. Now this is always dangerous because, you know, if I go wrong, I've only got one of these left. So I'm just going to ink that up again and pop this down like that. There we go. It's subtle, but it's nice. There we go. Okay. And then I'm going to dimensionalize this piece on. And like this, and we'll put 4 of these on. There we go. Let's go ahead and peel those off. So, okay. And I've got the array of dots, and I'm going to use the array of dots to just add a little bit of bling to this. I'm going to do this right kind of in the middle of the card and just make sure that my greeting is straight. There we go, down like that. Now you can add, I could have done another outline around this, but I chose not to. I am going to use the array of dots though, and these ones are not exactly balmy blue, but they're a nice quiet color. So I am just going to take some of the medium-sized ones, and I'm just going to pop them down around the bottom of the circle here, just in that little bit of an arc. Whoops. There we go. And I need to decide if I need to put 3 up here, but I think it'll be a bit much if I put 3 up here. I might just put 1. Let's see how 1 would look up here. Yep, 1 is just fine. So I'm just going to pop 1 up there like that. Kind of brings the eye still to the center. And I'm still using elements from that April 2026 Paper Pumpkin kit. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more alternate cards.